Viking Cubic Kirk Cousins clarifies if I die comment on coronavirus. Egan men after seeing if I die about the coronavirus. Minnesota Viking quarterback Kirk Cousins clarify has comments Wednesday. On Spotify's 10 Question with Cal Brandit, a broadcast the quarterback said he appeared on in July but which was posted online Wednesday. Cousins said he is taking a survival of the fittest personal approach to the coronavirus if it kills him. After a wave of backlash over his comments, the Viking moved up Cousins' media availability one day to speak with Twin Cities reporters Wednesday in an attempt to explain what he meant. What I was trying to say back then, admittedly, I probably was not as clear as I would have liked to have been. Cousins said, but what I wanted to say then, what I would echo again now is that will the virus does not give me a great amount of personal fear. There is still great reason for me to engage in wearing a mask and social distancing and washing my hands as frequently as I can and following protocols that have been set in place obviously to be respectful and considerate of other people, which is very important, but then also to be available for all 16 games. This failed because as the protocol is set up if a player were to test positive, they will be potentially but of a game or games. There's plenty of reason to wear a mask, social distancing, and be very vigilant to help stop the spread of the virus. That was the heart of what I was trying to say in July. Admittedly, I did not say it as clear as I would have liked to, so I just want to share that some message again and hopefully articulate it a little bit better. But that that has always been my heart and is again now just trying to say that. The Viking did not practice on Wednesday and no player were initially scheduled for media availability. When the broadcast branded asked Cousins to rate his level of concern over contracting the virus on a 1-10 scale, with 1 being the person who says, masks are stupid, you are all a bunch of lemmings, and 10 is I am not leaving my master bathroom for the next 10 years. Cousin reply, I am not gonna call anybody stupid for the trouble it was get me in, but I am about a 00001. When asked to elaborate on that answer, Cousin said, I want to respect what other people's concerns are. For me personally, just talking no one else can get the virus. That what is your concern? If you could get it, I would say I am gonna go about my daily life. If I get it, I am gonna ride it out. I am gonna let nature do its course. Survival of the fittest kind of approach. And just say, if it knocks me out, it knocks me out. You can even if I die, I die. I can have peace about that.